are watching 99.9 Engineering Station. So student, today's MCQ is from the subject Chemical Reaction Engineering, and this I have taken from the year 2011, and the question is, the reactant R form three product X, Y, Z irreversibly as shown below, that is R is equal to gives X, Y, Z, okay, and their rate of reaction will be Rx is equal to Kxcr, Ry is equal to Kycr to power 1.5, Rz is equal to Kzcr, okay, and the activation energy for the formation is for X, Y, Z is 40, 40 and 5 kilojoule per mole. The pre-exponential factor for all the reaction are same, and we have to tell them the desired condition for maximizing the yield of X product, okay. We have to tell them the desired condition for maximizing the yield of X, okay, and the options are high temperature, high concentration of R, low temperature, low concentration of R, low temperature, high concentration of R, and low concentration and low concentration of R, okay. So following this MCQ, we have a knowledge about the reaction rate constant, temperature dependent term, and the activation energy, or the which is come out from the Arrhenius equation. So all the concept related to the activation energy is already discussed in my previous lecture of this chemical reaction engineering. The playlist is in the I button, okay, and in the description box, so you can go and watch it first and then come to this numerical, okay. So for that in the lecture you can see that the reaction rate constant is from take from the Ra, that is K is equal to K naught e to power minus E upon RT. So this is the reaction rate constant. K naught is the pre-exponential coefficient, E is the activation energy, which is minimum amount of energy required by the reactant for starting the reaction, and the T is in the Kelvin. So here our desired product is the X, okay. So we can write the rate of reaction constant for all the product like that, with the activation coefficient, that is Kx is equal to K naught e to power minus 40 upon RT, Ky is equal to K naught e to power minus 40 upon RT, and Kz is equal to K naught e to power minus 5 upon RT. So you can see here from Ky or Kx is equal to, that is K naught e to power minus 40 upon RT. These two terms are same because the activation energy is same. So we have to in the question they ask from with us, that is what is the maximum possible condition for yielding the maximum yield of the X. So the maximum possible condition, and we know that the maximum possible condition is that when the activation energy of the desired product is greater than the activation energy of undesired product, okay. In that case the temperature, maximum possible temperature or favorable temperature is maintained, ठीक है, temperature maintained, okay. It means the activation energy is more in which product, X and Y. It means the activation energy of X is greater than the activation energy of Z. It means the K is greater than the for the temperature at high temperature, the Kx is greater than the Kz. I have mentioned in the lecture that at high temperature, when we increases the temperature, the K value is always increases, okay. That's why I have written that the activation energy is greater than the activation of energy of Z. It means the Kx is greater than the Ky. So the first favorable condition for this numerical will be high temperature. High temperature. It means now we check out our option that which contain high temperature. The option 1 and 2 contains high temperature. Okay. Now the second part we have to understand, we have to determine the concentration of the atom. Okay, the concentration of the atom. So you can see that from here the concentration term of Y has a power of 1.5 and the concentration of X has a power of 1. Okay, it means the rate of Y is greater than the rate of X at high concentration, but we require the maximum reaction rate of X, because X are our desired product. So simply we change the direction, like Rx is greater than the Ry at low concentration. Okay, so the two favorable condition for maximizing the yield of the X is high temperature and the low concentration of R. Okay, low concentration of R. It means our option second or option B is the correct answer of this numerical. That is, for maximizing the desired product yield is high temperature and low concentration of R. Okay, understand? If you understand everything, then comment down in the comment section. So if you like this type of series and this type of questions, please share this video with your classmate and with your friend, so that everybody can take advantage of this lecture. Okay, till then, thank you and have a nice day.